Euro Swiss done me really well lately, so let's get everything set up. Still very bearish. Look how nice this moves. This moves just perfect. Like just perfect. You can't make this up. Like it really doesn't get better than that. So hopefully that does it again this month. You can see it came up to this zone and rejected it, but we're gonna find our monthly highs and lows here. So price moves about 250 a month. Yeah, that'll be pretty close. Yep, 250. That's what I have it set for right now. So now we gotta adjust these. Move these down to here maybe. Again, price loves whole levels. So you're 96 here. Yeah, we could do that. So there's your 96 level. Just drop this down a little bit so it's perfect. So it's a little bit below that zone, but that's okay. So we're going to wait for price to come back up again to this 96 level and then set my stop above these wicks and then literally just target this bottom again. That's all there is to it. We'll just target this extra segment as long as it keeps rejecting this area and all the other price action on the lower time frames correlates. So, and the reason that's important is because you can see that price came down to this zone and then it had a massive bullish daily candle. So it tells me there are some bulls in the market. I don't think there's enough because then it printed this like almost doji candle here below this zone. So, but if you need more confirmation, this is what you do. This is actually really nice to see on the 4 hour. So on the 4 hour, it's still super bearish. It's below this moving average. You can see price came into this zone. You got all these small candles, but it did come into this zone. Right at the top of the zone, it tested, and then boom, big bear candle. Now it's rejecting, and seems to be rejecting this zone. So actually, honestly, guys, you could probably get in this trade right now. I think this would be a very safe bet here. Put your stop above these wicks, these ones and these ones, just to be safe. If you use a stop loss, I usually don't. I usually just go with it, hedge if I need to, add more. I just manage the position. So, but that just comes with experience. And I hate getting stopped out for dumb things. If there's just a liquidity fill, then you get stopped out, you lose a trade when you didn't need to lose it. So there's your trade right there. So that's a 5 hour right now. I think it's a safe bet. I think it's a super safe bet. I think the euro on every other pair we looked at, if we go through here, those all showed the the bearish momentum coming into the market. So I think it's going to carry over to Euro Swiss. The Swiss is actually very bullish, so it's obviously going to inversely affect the Euro Swiss on the the Euro Swiss here. So yeah, I think this is a great short now. I would take it now. Or, if price comes back up a little bit, if it comes more into the zone and you want to get, if it hits 96 right at the hole and you want to, add another entry, totally doable as well. So that's Euro Swiss. I think this is an excellent trade right now. Get a 5 hour if you want. Perfect setup right at the start of the month. Who knows? This might move the full monthly move in like a week or two. And you just banked good money right at the start of the month. So that's Euro Swiss.